Introduction. In the preceding chapter, we studied kinematics, the language for describing motion. Now we learn about what makes bodies move the way they do. Dynamics is the study of cause of motion of bodies. While studying the motion of bodies, we treat bodies like particles. Dynamics is concerned with the understanding of motion in terms of forces and mass. Sir Isaac Newton published his 3 laws of motion in 1687 and started a scientific revolution. He lived from 1642 to 1727, developed 3 laws of motion and published them in 1687 in his Philosophic Naturals Principia Mathematica. These 3 statements are called Newton laws of motion. Concept of force. Force. In common language, the force is either a push or a pull. Properties of forces. 1. A force is a push or pull. 2. A force is interaction between 2 objects or between any object and its environment. 3. A force is a vector quantity with magnitude and direction. 4 common types of forces. A. Normal force, N bar. B. Friction force, F bar. C. Tension force, T bar. D. Weight, W bar. A. Normal force. When an object rests or pushes on a surface, the surface exerts a push on it, that is, direction perpendicular to the surface. B. Friction force, F bar. In addition to the normal force, a surface may exert a frictional force on an object directed parallel to the surface. 4 types of fundamental forces. A. Gravitational force. B. Electromagnetic force. C. Nuclear or strong force. And D. Weak force. A. Gravitational force, which is responsible for the attraction between various bodies in the universe. The magnitude of the force is directly proportional to the masses of the bodies and inversely proportional to the square of the distance of separation. F is directly proportional to m1, m2, and F is directly proportional to 1 by r square. Therefore, F is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. B. Electromagnetic force, which is propagated through electric and magnetic fields. Like gravitational force, it is also felt over long distance. An example of electromagnetic force is the interaction between the molecules of a substance. C. Nuclear or strong force, which is responsible for binding protons and neutrons in an atomic nucleus. It is felt over short distance of the order of 10 to the power of minus 13 centimeters. D. Weak force, which is responsible for the phenomenon of beta decay in radioactivity and decay of many elementary particles. It also acts over very short distances.